Let's share. Finally, my DJi Mini 3 Pro has arrived. In case you're wondering, how long did it take for this drone to arrive here in the Caucasus? DJi sent an email saying this Mini 3 Pro, a replacement of my damaged drone, the drone that crashed, will be dispatched between 24 hours and 48 hours. And guess what? It was dispatched within 24 hours. And I was very excited. As soon as I got the tracking number for UPS, I checked with UPS and the drone was on its way to my friends in the US. Within 2 to 3 days, they received the drone and they got onto the shipping company and sent this drone to me here in the Caucasus because I'm so far away from the West. I'll be going further east, Asia, possibly India, Thailand, Vietnam. You will know. I'm not sure yet which country is going to be my starting point. But I'm so happy with this. Now I am going to unbox this replacement of a crashed drone with you guys. Look. And I'm not going to be littering here. I'm so happy. Insurance access was only $60, so I paid $60 for an insurance access of a damaged drone. And DJi said, because this is my first claim on the DJi insurance, I think it's called DJi Refresh, I am entitled to 3 replacement drones. So because I have already claimed 1, now I can still get 2 new drones, and after that it will take about 7 days to replace a drone if I damage it again. But I don't think that's going to happen. And here it is. Let's see. I am so happy. If you're happy and you know, we clap your hands. Never go hunting, never go hiking without one of these, a little knife. This is like a Swiss knife. Oh, and my little drone is here. Look at that. Look at that. Lovely. Let's check what's inside. Box on the floor. I'm so excited. Oh yes, they sent it just like I sent a drone without a battery. They sent it back to me without a battery. Hey. Oh, replacement, brand new. Oh, and a new gimbal protector. So now I've got 2 gimbal protectors because I did not send my damaged drone with a gimbal protector. So now I have a new one. Okay. Dun. Do. Excited. There we go. There we go. Oh my. The battery is gonna go in there. Brand new. Gently remove all this plastic around it. We're going to fly very soon, my friends. There's a sponge behind the camera here. It protects the gimbal. There we go. You have to remove all this. I'm so happy that I've got my drone back, a new one. I will be flying very soon. I received this drone very quickly, and a big thank you to DJi. I am still insured because I'm insured for 2 years. If you intend to buy yourself a DJi drone, DJi Mini 3, Mini 3 Pro, DJi Mavic Classic 3, DJi Mavic 3, whatever, get yourself the Refresh insurance. It will really help you, like it did for me, which I'm very happy, extremely excited Wish me luck on my next flight. Oh, maybe you want to see me stick a battery. 1 second. And here's a battery. The same battery that crashed, so I've marked it just in case the battery dies. Let me stick it in. Oh, yes. Boop. Yes, there we go. 249 grams. Let's turn it on. I'm not going to use it yet. I just want to turn it on to make sure. It's on. Okay. How long did my drone take to arrive in Georgia, and a country bordering with Russia, which used to be part of the Soviet Union? It took 3 weeks for this to arrive, and because it was a damage repair, the Georgian government didn't charge me custom duty. When I received it for the first time, they charged me custom duty. I had planned a trip to Turkey, but I couldn't go to Turkey with a damaged drone and have it sent to Turkey because they were going to charge me custom duty. And as a result, I decided to wait it all out here in Georgia. And now I've got my baby. Here we go, Asia. I will see you guys soon. Oh yes, excited.